guys, it's 1st of January 2026. It's our daughter's birthday, 10th birthday. So hii mwaka imetupata pahali pabaya kimfuko, but you can't tell a child that, especially wakati wa birthday yake. So we are going to do something for her bila yeye kunotice that siku zuri. So as for us, we have taken githeri for lunch, but we want to make something special for her. So guys, join in and let's celebrate her 10th birthday. Let's go. So let's go. So bye. We are all set. Ndio tunaenda. Nilikuwa nimekaambia kaoge na kakavaa poa, but nimemwambia we are going for her textbooks because ya shule, so she doesn't know. Yeah, I hope she enjoys. Sindio baba? Wambo, where are you? I want to take you a photo. I'm taking a video. Karibia. When is today?
My birthday.
When is the date? Say the date.
January 1st. 26.
How many years are you turning?
10.
Really?
Yes.
10 years. 10 years. Now tell me why you chose this family when you are in heaven.
I chose this family because I saw it was praying and praying for one child. Then I saw how blessed they were and how amazing they were. I don't know what I thought, but I just decided to come to this family.
So you had options. God told you you have options to choose where you want to go.
Yes.
And you chose
This one.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Really? Why are you excited? Because you're turning 10.
Yes.
You know you're getting old.
Hey.
Who gets happy by forgetting old?
And you are 30 something.
Wachana mimi bada, by the way. Sawa? Sawa? Sawa. I am 22. Okay. Do you want to say my age?
Nope.
Thank you. I am 22 years old. And our girl is 10 years old. 10 years. Bodomo.
I just need 12
Say
more
something.
years.
Say something, Baba. And you just need? You
I just need 12 more years to be 22.
Imagine.
Actually, 3 years and I'm going to be a teenager.
Oh, lie. Amazing, right? Okay.
Imagine only one person called to tell me happy birthday.
But it's your birthday. We told you happy birthday. Happy
I'm
birthday.
saying called. People in the family.
They will call later. Probably later. Yeah.
They were supposed to call when it exactly arrived.
At night.
That was when I was
People were
born.
doing baruti.
She also asked.
Yes, but people are doing baruti now.
I tried to shout to people out there, it's my birthday. They ignored.
Hapa. But that is your gift for Christmas.
From my hookah, it's my birthday gift and my Christmas gift at the same time.
Okay. Tuko wapi? Tunagoja, tumeona dada ameenda car wash. Kuja usimame hapa nikupige picha. Nyuma.
Mzunguke tena.
Hebu simama pale hivyo. Hapo. Songa hivi. Oh. Haichukui sura yako. Sawa, ni sawa tu, haichukui sura yako.
Do I look for ice cream?
Eh?
How do I?
Pita huku note wewe. Notebook na umejaza vitabu kwa nyumba. Notebook. Walk now. I'm taking a video. Pita, tembea bana. Ewe hutaki kutembea. Azunguka hivi. Hurry up. Be there by the edge already. Turn right. Walk now. Aya, choose a cake for yourself.
Hizi tudogo.
Unataka uto tudogo? Okay.
Nataka hizi.
Na si you choose.
Nishike.
Which one?
Hiyo pale ya yellow.
Kuna ya yellow? Oh, imeenda. Aya, choose another one very fast. Unaona venye zinaenda? Sawa. Choose very fast now. The purple one. Aya, mwambie. Mwambie una okay. Come. Hakuna mtu akulipisha hapa? Okay. Let's go for payment. Good after dad. It's okay. Usiblock watu njia. Haya.
Acha nizunguke hapa.
Let's go.
Acha nizunguke.
Twende. Okay, fine. Walk. God is good. Oh.
Karo, kuja uze chapo hapa. Kuna msichana anakuja hapo.
Thank you. Where is the girl? Mko naye? Yes. Namuona Adiko. Ako wapi? Simu ndio hii. Yeah. Looking for you. Odireko.
Can I carry?
Yes, of course. Careful. Haya, go. Where is Dad? Oh. Careful. Sasin. Maswali 1000. And the last surprise. Yeah, atakula special lunch, so let us see her reaction. Who do you want to celebrate with your birthday? Who do you want to celebrate with?
A lot of people.
What do you want to have for lunch?
We get to sit there.
For you. For the birthday girl. Yeah? Twende chicken in. Sindio?
Mimi nataka pizza.
No,
I want
chicken.
pizza.
Pizza is for everyone. For you, we are getting you chicken. Sindio? Haya. Twende home.
No, chicken.
Kai chicken ni kareko. Sile ni pizza.
Ndio pizza. Kuja uone.
Oh.
Kiasi hapa.
Oh.
Hapa inaonyesha chicken, mabaga, hapa mapizza, kuma ice cream.
Oh, kule ma ice cream.
Mimi nataka ice cream.
Songa hivi. So tuachane na kuku. Chukua.
Mom. Mom, nini iko mana najis.
Dokere, happy birthday to you.
Mom, nifungulie.
Shikilia. Shika. Ni tight. Shika. Ai.
Thank you.
Anyway, happy birthday to you. Enjoy.
This is the best.
Muumie hivi, mkatie hivi umuumishe.
Baby, line up.
Hivyo. We have had our day and we are heading home now.
Now to celebrate finally.
Huh? Aya, hiyo haiko celebration.
Ilikuwa celebration.
Everything that has happened, you have not celebrated.
It has been a celebration.
Uh-huh.
Yes, now
Uh-huh.
with cake.
Daddy. Wapi daddy? Daddy. Hey. Daddy. Our girl is 10 years old. 10 years. When you look at us, we are parents of 10-year-olds. Going to grade 5 this year. We wish her all the best. Ajikaze shuleni. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? She wants to be the president
Of the US.
of the United States of America. Dreaming big. This one is dreaming big. Yeah?